What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today is just going to be a short chat. So past 2 weeks I've been actually contacting owners to find for listing. So there are some owners who wants to sell the property that they just got a key. I just want to tell you that now you need to wake up and smell the roses, okay? Wake up and smell the coffee. It's no longer like 2010 during that bull run time where you buy at 500,000 S&P, you can sell at what, 600, even a million. Those times are over, okay? Owners, if you just get your key this year, don't hope to sell at more than your S&P. If you want to sell, you can sell, but you sell at a loss. If you don't want to sell, no problem, just rent it out first, okay? And one more thing, we agents are not the one that offering the price. We also can't find buyer for overpriced stuff, okay? The buyers nowadays are smarter and they are well equipped with information. They will know the market price. They will know the market price and they will know how to compare the surroundings, okay? So when you ask us to check the value, how much you can sell, we will check the banks. And whatever the banks come up with, we will give you a range. Then you decide. It's not we offer, we don't have a buyer, and we will definitely not buy, okay? Of course, unless it's too low to say no lah, too good deal to say no, then we ourselves will buy it lah, if we are capable. If not, we will definitely market for you and not buy, okay? So I hope that you understand the glory days of real estate being double when you get the keys is over. Get keys this year. I don't know how long you're going to hold, but remember, the price is already factored in. You already got your cashback, you already got your rebate. The higher rebate you got, the higher cashback you got, the harder it is for you to let go, because you need to wait for the price to reach the point where you can be able to let go. Even though it's at a loss, it will be a break even for you, okay? So perhaps what you can do right now is to just rent it out. Rent it out. Yeah, some maybe cannot cover even your 70% of your installment, maybe 50%. But if that's the choice that you have, then go ahead first, okay? So this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.